Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T Ray here, man, and we are back with another sneaker video. And as you all know, today is the 30th, and what dropped on the 30th? Your Jordan 1 Breds. Has hit the scene. All right. This is the first pair of Breds I've ever owned. I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not gonna front like I've had them because I never had them before. All right, so this is my very own pair, and I'm super excited that I have them. And wow, I don't even know where to start at. So just a little history. They originated in 1985. They brought them back again 2001. They hit the scenes again 2016, and now they're back again for 2021. And I personally think this is the perfect way to end the year out. Jordan team came hard, and like I said before, I mean, just looking at the box right now tells me what's inside of it is on another level. All right, so just to give y'all a look right now at the box. Look here, baby. We have Nike box. We have the shiny finish coat to it right now. All right, yo, we got the size 10, that's your boy size, true to size, right here in our hands. And yeah, man, I'm gonna open this up right now and see what we got inside. So like I said, I know for a fact that it has the shiny look because of how the box look, because all the previous box doesn't look like this. And bro, yeah. Now, before we get started, yo, hey man, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow your boy. Don't forget the notifications as well, man. And yeah, man, join us on the sneaker journey. And yeah, let's get back into this here. Yo, tell me, these are not hot, all right? Off top for me, red, black, and white is our thing, man. We Georgia people, man. We Georgia. That's all we rock is the red, black, and white down here. We Georgia boys. We Georgia girls. That's how we do down here. But listen. Man, these are nice, man. Look at this. Yeah. All right, so we're just gonna drop this box over. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. Look at this. We have the Breds in our hand right now with the shiny coat going around the whole sneaker. Oh man, look at this. Tell me right now, these are hot. Now, as you can see, we have no laces stringed up right now because you know what? We just opened it up right now. And I want to be able to show you all how it looked with the red laces and the black laces, but I just wanted to bring y'all video to them because I was so anxious to look at them myself. And you know, I had to open up and show it with you all because you know what, we family. That's how we do around here. But yeah, man, let's just jump right into this sneaker, man. All right, so off top, like I said before, we have another set of laces. We have the red laces that go with them. Now you tell me, you think the red or the black laces? Just let me know in the comment. Let me know. But all right, so off the rip, man, off the rip. As you can see, we have the white sole at the bottom. We have the nice glossy black that's going in between the mid and the front toe of the sneaker all the way around. As you can see, we got the shiny black. We also got the shiny black collars as well going around on the top of the shoe as well. And we also have a little black right here as well. Man, this is freaking detailed to the fullest. Like it. All right, we have the black Air Jordan symbol right there as well. Also, we have that nice cushion to the inside of it. And look, what is that? Look at this. Yo, look at that. Family, stitched in red. What? Let's go, man. I like that, man. Let's get it. All right, so yeah, man. Also, as you can see, we got the red toe box, and we also have the red Air Jordan, the Nike Swoosh right here. We have the red back, nice shiny red back. And yeah, man, we have the red bottom. Same thing with the right sneaker, same way. But look, man, we got this nice little charm that come with the sneaker, man. Jordan team, come on, Jordan team, let's go. We got the. This is a nice little addition to this. I end up taking this off and put it on my car or something like that, or I don't know. Put on my keychain or something like that. Nah, I ain't gonna put on my keychain. Might put it in the car. But yeah, same thing going on with the sneaker as well. The other side, we have the black finish that's in the mid part of the sneaker. We also take the black also to the front toe box. The outer of the toe box is black as well. Going back into the other side with the black shiny fit in the mid soles of it. Man, this sneaker is hot. Also, if we flip it around, we got the black collar of the sneaker with the cushion as well. And do we have family on this side too? We also have the family stitch in there as well. Now, as far as the soles, you can see we got the Nike as well in the front symbol. All right, so for the tongue though, we have a different tongue. We got the little padded kind. This is, not the finished coat, which is amazing because, like I said, it's a good cushion look. And we also got the Nike Air Jordan as well, stitched up there at the top as well. But listen, man, the red toe box, the shiny fit to it, man, the shiny coating to it, this does it for me. It does it for me. I don't know about you all. I know I've seen a couple videos today of people who didn't like the shiny coat, but listen, I like to be different. I like the fact that they came with this. This right here, to me, literally makes my end of the year pretty special, man. Because like I said, it's my first pair on Breds. Yeah, man, I didn't think I was gonna get them, but we got them. Definitely be on the lookout for more sneaker videos, man. We got more on the way. Also, Sneaker Mom has a pair as well. The wifey has a pair. So definitely check out her channel because we gotta wait for them to come in first. But yeah, check her out because like I said, she has some phenomenal things going on her channel as well. Also, man, if you ain't following me on social media, man, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. And yeah, man, again, man, let me just give you another look at these Breds, man. Jordan 1 Breds today drop $170. I am lucky to be able to get me a pair of these because right now the resale price on them is ridiculous. I think they're going for about $400 or something like that. And yeah, we're not. We do retail. We don't do resale. We do retail around here. But yeah, again, man, phenomenal sneaker. Can I say top 3 sneaker of the year or top sneaker of the year? You let me know in the comments, man. Also, let me know in the comments, do you prefer the red laces, black laces? Which route would you go with it? Me personally, I like the black laces. I just love the darker color style. But again, man, all in all, thank you all so much. I pray you all have an amazing, happy new year. Be safe out there, y'all. Be safe. Look after each other. And again, man, love and blessings. See you all on the next one. And